Game changer, Tesla's $27,000 EV for electric car enthusiasts. The wait is almost over. The buzz around Tesla's most affordable offering, the Model 2, has been growing for a while, and whispers turning into confirmations paint a picture of a potential game changer. Nicknamed Redwood internally, the Model 2 is expected to hit the roads in 2025, priced under $27,000. That's the promise of the Tesla Model 2, an electric hatchback poised to disrupt the market with its shockingly affordable price tag. This hatchback is set to be Tesla's assault on the compact electric car segment, currently dominated by rivals like the Nissan Leaf and the Chevrolet Bolt. Imagine zipping around town in a sleek Tesla for under $30,000. That's the dream the Model 2 promises. While official specs are still under wraps, rumors suggest a driving range between 350 and 450 kilometers on a single charge, which is pretty impressive for a car in this price range, although it might have a smaller battery pack compared to its bigger siblings like the Model 3. Clever engineering by Tesla's team is expected to deliver that signature electric driving experience. While details about the interior are scarce, whispers point towards a minimalist design, a trend Tesla is known for. Expect a large central touchscreen to be the command center for everything from navigation to entertainment, just like in other Tesla models, though it might not have the fancy rotating screen like some competitors. The Model 2 is likely to boast a suite of driver assistance features, making parking and maneuvering a breeze. The arrival of the Model 2 is a significant development. It signifies Tesla's push to make electric cars accessible to a wider audience. But the big question remains, how will Tesla achieve such a dramatically lower price point compared to their other offerings? Industry insiders believe a few factors might be at play. One possibility is the use of a new type of battery cell. Tesla has been working on its own battery technology, aiming to reduce production costs and squeeze more range out of smaller battery packs. But achieving this aggressive target takes more than just wishful thinking. Tesla's engineers are working tirelessly behind the scenes, and the key to affordability might lie in a familiar friend, the lithium-ion battery. Remember those whispers about solid-state batteries, the next big thing in EV tech? While the future might hold potential for this technology, Tesla has decided to focus its efforts on perfecting what they know, lithium-ion. They've already made a switch to LFP batteries in their standard cars, a move that shaves off production costs. This is just one piece of the puzzle. Tesla has traditionally relied on outside suppliers for their batteries, big names like Panasonic and LG. But to truly revolutionize affordability, they're taking things a step further. Imagine a Tesla battery born and bred in the USA. By developing their own batteries domestically, Tesla hopes to tap into government incentives for American-made products. This translates to even lower costs and a sweeter deal for you, the future driver. The star of the show in Tesla's battery game is the aptly named 4680 battery. This marvel of engineering promises to slash battery costs down to around $70 per kWh. That's a game changer. Think about it. Manufacturing an electric car would finally be comparable to building a gasoline-powered one. How do they achieve this magic? It all boils down to bigger battery cells and a clever dry electrode coating process. If they manage to implement this new tech in the Model 2, it could be a game changer for affordability. Another strategy could be streamlining the manufacturing process. Tesla is known for its innovative approach to production. By simplifying the car's design and using fewer parts, they could significantly bring down the assembly cost. So, buckle up, because the future of electric cars is about to get a whole lot more exciting and more affordable with the Tesla Model 2. As for the production plant, there's no official word yet on where exactly Tesla will build the Model 2. However, considering their existing facilities and recent announcements, there are strong contenders. Giga Texas, Tesla's factory near Austin, Texas, is currently producing the Cybertruck and is rumored to be the first location deploying a new unboxing production method. For the Model 2 Giga Mexico, Tesla is building a new Gigafactory in Mexico, specifically designed for high-volume production. This plant seems like a strong possibility for the Model 2, especially if it becomes Tesla's most affordable electric car. Other possibilities include Tesla's Fremont factory in California or Gigafactory Berlin in Germany, but Giga Texas and Giga Mexico seem like the front runners at this point. So the wait for the Tesla Model 2 is on, but the story behind the scenes is just as exciting. Tesla is betting on innovation and homegrown technology to make electric cars accessible to everyone. The Tesla Model 2, with its focus on affordability and homegrown technology, has the potential to be a turning point in the electric car revolution. But will it be enough to convince everyone to ditch gas and go electric? Only time will tell. What do you think? Will the Model 2 be the car that finally makes electric transportation mainstream? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe the video.